Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're a fan of Rakuten, the awesome cashback platform that helps you save on everyday purchases, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend and earn some extra rewards. It's super simple and a win-win for everyone involved. Let's dive right in. First off, what is Rakuten? It's a free service where you shop online through their site and get cashback on qualifying purchases. Now, to refer a friend, start by logging into your Rakuten account. If you don't have one yet, head to the Rakuten website, sign up quickly, it's free and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Refer a Friend section, which is usually found under the Rewards tab or in your account settings. It's prominently displayed to make things easy. In this section, you'll see your unique referral link or code. Click to generate it if you haven't already. Rakuten does this automatically for you. This link is your key to earning rewards. Next, share that link with your friends. Send it via email, text message, social media, or even in a group chat. Just make sure to encourage them to click it and sign up. When your friend signs up using your link and makes their first qualifying purchase, the magic happens. You'll both get a reward, often $10 or more in cashback, depending on current promotions. It's a great way to introduce them to saving money while boosting your own earnings. A quick tip: always check the terms and conditions on Rakuten's site, as rewards can vary by location and offers might change. Plus, ensure your friend is a new user to qualify. There you have it. Referring friends on Rakuten is straightforward and rewarding. Give it a try, and who knows, you might just start a cashback chain. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy referring.